Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the red and green ignored bars indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the red and green ignored bars indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 33 different strategies, with 9 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 434 indicators, with 178 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the red and green ignored bars indicator. And you can see it here on screen. And so basically what we're looking for is these little bear symbols. So on the downside, there are bear faces. On the upside, I believe that is a bear. It appears to be a bear body. And so they are also accompanied by these little tags here, these green and red tags. And so basically what we are looking for is for these little bears to appear. These bears are a sign of continuation in momentum or continuation in a trend. So when we get one to the downside, we are going to go short. When we get one to the upside, we are going to go long. And so that's how we are going to be testing the indicator today. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we picked up the first signal right here. It was a long signal, bear body, and so on this one we went up a little bit. We backtracked just a tad, stayed within our stop range though, and then ended up making the spike right here that got us to take profit. So far so good. Let's go ahead and continue on. Then picked up this one here on this side. Again, It is a long signal, but this one took an immediate sharp turn to the downside, almost immediate anyway, and would have gotten us stopped out. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we picked up this one back here. It was a short signal. We made a pretty quick retracement back to the upside, though, getting us stopped out. Then we picked up this long over here, came down a little bit, stayed within our stop, then bumped up, getting us to take profit. We wouldn't have taken this one. We would have already been in this one right here, so we'll ignore that signal right there. Right now, it puts us at a 50-50, so there is room definitely for this one to still make the 60% criteria. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the video so things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we're posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admins and regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts, multiple different time frames, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering, exiting trades, and taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for all the patrons to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. Really great stuff, earning them a profit. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators that we've tested, shows exactly which ones were winners and losers and their win rates, as well as an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we've tested. Again, shows their winners and losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Another new thing that we have been doing is our admin, Rob, is posting everyday scanner alerts. These are his own personal scanners that he uses for crypto and Forex. And the scanners he has developed himself to be a profitable trader. As he gets alerts on his scanners, he posts it in the Patreon only channel for all the patrons to see. So multiple times a day, you'll get those alerts, giving you the best crypto and Forex setup. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So I highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's see, there to there. All right, let's count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 winning trades. So that is going to meet the 60% criteria. I definitely wish it would have given us a few more trades in a year's time, but all in all, not horrible. This one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.